Snežan is here and we're making stunning homemade donuts. Warm donuts, fantastic.
And this is a quick version. This is a quick version and we call it Ustipci. And really, you can do it like after dinner, 20 minutes, done, dusted.
Lots of cultures have their own way of doing donuts. These are from Serbia.
Absolutely. So this is what my grandma used to make for me every time when I said I wanted something sweet, and she would whip it up in no time.
Oh, I love these. And we're going to start with a jam that you're going to serve it with.
I love it with the homemade jam. And this is honestly so simple and easy. You just need some sugar, some fruit, could be any fruit, and some lemon to give it a bit of zestiness. Beautiful. While I'm chopping strawberries, if you can get started with the donut butter.
Okay.
So maybe start with some wet ingredients, which is eggs, yogurt, vanilla.
Okay. Yogurt in the donut. So I haven't tried that before.
Well, yogurt with any flour and in any dough, it adds that softness to a dough and makes it very luscious. Like even when you make pancakes, I always make it with the yogurt because it just adds, I don't know how do you call it, fluffiness?
Yeah, fluffiness.
Yeah, and tang as well. Yeah,
and tang.
Good word.
So the eggs are in there. Beautiful. And just any Greek style or natural yogurt could work for this.
And you can make this dough to be savoury as well. Just add a little bit less sugar and you can make it savoury and eat it with the feta cheese. It's actually so delicious.
Very good. And what have we got here?
That's my secret ingredient. It's alcohol. Yeah. So I'm using rakija, which is quite traditional from my region where I come from. But what it actually does, it helps the dough not to soak up the oil.
Oh, that is such a great idea.
It's interesting that I always knew about that, but I never knew why.
Yeah.
So my grandma used the alcohol every time she would make any fried dough.
Yeah.
Which is really interesting to know how people at that time were so clever.
I keep saying the best chefs in the world are the grandmothers.
I absolutely agree with this one.
So we've got our strawberries in there.
Adding some sugar. I'm not adding much because I like my jam to be more fresh and zesty or zingy. So I'm going to let that reduce a little bit and cook out maybe 20 minutes, and we'll just add some lemon juice at the end.
That's it.
Your jam is almost done.
Very good. So our wet ingredients are done, or is anything else in that?
A bit of olive oil. Always olive oil.
How much?
Just go freehand, glog, as the chefs would say it, is a glog. Okay, that looks gorgeous. So now we just sift in some plain flour and some baking powder.
Okay.
But you can also use self-rising flour.
Yes.
If you have it at home, it's an easier way to do it, I guess. It's already pre-mixed for you.
Exactly.
So, yeah.
So we're just going to mix that together. I mean, it mixes it and makes it extra fine, which is good. And some sugar?
That's it, yep, some sugar, not too much. So, no, it's okay, put all that, but I'm just saying I'm not adding a lot of sugar like a usual dessert. It's pretty much just 2 tablespoons. Beautiful, the jam is looking gorgeous. It's almost done.
It smells so good too.
Yes, I really like to leave it a little bit chunky and rustic.
Yep.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix our dry ingredients together.
Okay.
Make a little hole and we'll add our wet ingredients.
Here we go.
And that's it. Believe it or not, this is our donuts almost done.
Okay. I can scoop that for you if you like. There we go, I'll get that out of the way.
Beautiful. I'll just bring this together. We don't want to overmix it.
Okay.
Literally just bring it together. Nice kind of sticky dough. Yep, so see how it's getting nice and thick? So what I'll do, I'll swap to a spatula now. It's going to be easier. So what I'll do now, I'm just going to add last minute some lemon zest. So if you can do that for me. I really love lemon zest in all my baking.
Oh, I mean, in donuts.
Like even any simple tea cake, when you add lemon zest, that's all you need.
And this lemon's not going to waste because we're using the lemon juice in that jam.
Absolutely.
Great.
Correct. So dough is ready and we'll put it in a piping bag. Yep. So that's how we're going to make sure that donuts have perfect round shape.
Very nice. We'll do that. Get some oil, get it preheated. Yep. Start frying.
Okay, so jam is ready. If you can add some lemon juice to it, and I'll start with our donuts. The oil is
just a squeeze?
Just a squeeze, maybe half of the lemon juice, depends how you like it. Maybe that's enough.
And it's still warm, actually.
Still warm, I love it.
And still chunky.
Delicious. Be perfect with the donuts. Okay, so let's get started with our donuts. I'm going to cut the piping bag. If you want to, you can cut with the scissors and I can pipe. Okay, beautiful. Let's start. So we squeeze a little bit and we just cut with the scissors.
A really great technique, almost like doing the Spanish style donut, which is churros. Yeah, and I love how you're doing little tiny ones. And as you can see, they puff up a bit, so they almost double in size, almost.
Yeah, and you can make them a little bit bigger if you kind of cut the piping bag a little bit higher, or you can just do it with a spoon as well. So this is my way of making them kind of look the same.
This is a really safe way of doing it too, because you can see how Snežana is getting really close to the oil, so there's no splashes. It's very safe to do, and they cook quite fast, don't they? Yeah. I'll get some tongs, and because they're so small, they don't take long.
No, not long at all.
Do they?
See how they look beautiful and puffy already?
Yeah.
They're literally doubling in size. Just a great sign.
There are so many different ways of doing donuts. A lot of recipes call for proving time, resting time, but the fact that you can just mix all of that together and cook them immediately is just wonderful, particularly for the home cook.
Exactly, especially for people that are not patient with the waiting, you know, and you want something quite quick and delicious, this is the way to go.
Yeah.
So we'll just make sure we turn them around and don't burn.
Yeah.
And see how they're light, really light already.
Yeah.
Beautiful, I'm really happy with the colour. So make sure temperature is not too hot and you give them some time to cook. They do look tiny, but you still need to cook them through in the middle.
That's the biggest mistake when it comes to donuts, is taking them out too early, because they look so golden on the outside, but they can be a bit doughy in the centre. So just take it a bit further, just like Snežana's doing here.
And absolutely, oil can't be too hot. If you see it's too hot and burning quickly, you can just turn it down a little bit. Okay, I think they're ready to come out.
Fantastic. And they colour so fast because we've got the sugar in there. Yes. So that's why it caramelizes, Oh, they're just perfect.
Look at that. One batch. Yeah. So you can plate them up here and dust some sugar on top.
Okay, so just pile them up. Oh, hot, hot.
Hot, hot. And the good thing is, like, you can top them as you like melted chocolate, some nuts on top. I actually like them with feta cheese. I like them savoury.
I like the idea of that too.
I love that.
Hot donuts.
Yum.
With some ice and sugar over the top. All right, let's not forget about this stunning jam that you've made within
chunky
20 minutes. Look, that's the colour that gets me. Have a taste.
Dig in.
Okay, is there a way of eating these, or how do you like to do it?
You have to be fast and quick, otherwise they're gone in no time. So
that's a trick. So breaking them?
Break them to check. The seed inside is beautiful. Very fluffy and lovely.
It really is. Like, that is the perfect crumb right there.
So the jam.
Oh, I can do the honours. A little bit of jam. You happy?
I'm not going to brag about my own recipe, but
You should.
Are you happy?
It's good. Oh my. They are wonderful. And that jam, that's not too sweet. This is just right with that hint of icing sugar and that fantastic homemade strawberry jam. Delicious. Snežana. I will never make donuts the original way anymore. Yogurt. That's her trick.
Yes.
Love it.
And alcohol.